Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage Y, the train, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. The train rumbled slowly down the line, mist swirling and moving between the tracks and under the carriage. A heavy silence held the air as the train gradually made its way through the dim, dark forest. At the front of the train, a small light lit the driver's cabin. Two eyes peered out into the darkness, worried, as he called, "Hello, anybody? This damn train won't stop." For a moment, hundreds of small, unblinking eyes could be seen glinting at the man from the darkness, and then there were none. The sound of flapping wings filled the tree canopy. The train slowly continued on. Questions. Where is the train? Describe the forest. Whose eyes peered out of the cabin? What problem does the train driver have? How does the train driver feel? What made the flapping sound? How do you know this? Now let's check the answers. Where is the train? The train is in a forest. We know that because it mentions a forest in the second sentence. Describe the forest. The forest is described as dim and dark. Whose eyes peered out of the cabin? The train driver's eyes peered out of the cabin. We know this because it mentions the eyes peering out from a driver's cabin. It also mentions a man later in the text. What problem does the train driver have? The problem is that the train will not stop. We know that because he says, "Hello, anybody? This damn train won't stop." How does the driver feel? The train driver feels worried. We know this because he's asking if anyone is out there, possibly to help him, and we also know that the train will not stop. What made the flapping sound? We can guess that it's birds or bats. We can guess this because we know there are flapping wings, and birds and bats have wings, and that the sound is coming from a tree canopy, where birds or bats often are. Thank you for your time. How did you go?